What you are seeing right now is my competition pair for the Year 4 Indigo Invitational Denim Fade competition, which was held from January 1 to December 31st of last year, which is 2024. And this is the denim jeans that I've used. However, I only use this for 10 months because I started with a so-so clothing, 33 ounces, but it it took me 2 months to use it, and then I shifted and changed to this jeans, which is the Ironheart 666 in 21 ounces. So basically, I use this denim jeans for only 10 months, and this is the result of the jeans after 10 months. And after the judging and results of the competition, I was able to get an honorable mention among the 1,500 participants of this denim jeans competition. So far, so good. This is my second year of joining the Indigo Invitational, and the next Indigo Invitational will be starting on September 1st of 2025. So basically, I've been using this denim jeans for my hiking, and I never use this in my work because I minimize doing some backyard cleaning and backyard gardening and backyard works last year. So there's not much fading, and what I wanted to have this is a vintage type of fading, as you can see on this portion. And of course, there are some contrast, but later on, this will be transformed into vintage fading. And we will go to the back portion, which has more fading and some creases. So you can see a lot of patina on the leather patch from a vegetable tan color, very light color, and now it's almost dark brown in appearance. So yeah, there's a lot of rubbing on the right backpack pocket because I've been using a wallet, and of course you have the works embroidery at the back, at the edge of the right back pocket, and I carry only a handkerchief, and you see a lot of rubbing on the left back pocket edges, but still you can see the earthquake, which is still very clear with yellow stitching, and it's very nice. And going down further, not much honeycombs, but it's just appearing, and the fading is just very minimal, but you have a nice fade on the hem. By the way, this is size 31 on the 666 cut, which is the sleeve cut. And I bought this 3 years ago. It's one of my collection. So for the past 2 years, I've been using Ironheart. And my first Ironheart on the year 3 Indigo Invitational was at 25 ounces. And I placed top 51 in that competition, and I was happy of the result. But in the year for Indigo Invitational, what happened is that they separated the com- competitors from Southeast Asia. So we had a separate category, which is Southeast Asian category, and you have another category, which is the rest of the world category for those living in the United States, Europe, and other parts of the country except Southeast Asia, because in Southeast Asia, most of the fades there, here I mean, to include the Philippines, are contrast. So as a result of the competition, there is more there is more fades. I mean, vintage fades on the competitors on the rest of the world, while on the Southeast Asian, the competitors have more on the contrast fade, because most of the people here in Southeast Asia are using those heavy denims like 15 ounces and above up to 25 ounces. So I'm still deciding if I will use this in the repair category for the year 5 Indigo Invitational. It will be the second time that they have introduced the repair category, wherein a an item or a jeans that have been used for 1 year could be registered as a competition pair for the next year. So in total, it will be 2 years usage of a certain denim. Yes, so this is a very nice competition pair for the year 5 repair, which I will use. However, I have still some new and never worn heavy denims which I can use for the rest of the world or the Southeast Asian category. The question now is, can a competitor from Southeast Asia join the rest of the world if the intention of having a denim fade is on the vintage category? As for the judging, it became a little bit of controversy, because some are not happy with the result of the rest of the world. By the way, my friend from Canada won first place. Scott from Canada won first place, and he has a very nice Iron Heart UHR, which is 21 to 23 ounces in weight. And then there's another lady, Ella, who won third place, who had a very nice vintage fade from a very light weight denim jeans. I think he used a 14 ounce or 15 ounce. So yeah, anyway, so far so good. I really appreciate those judges who made this selection, because they really look deeper and closer to the denims that had been presented, and I think they made the right decision for the raw, repair, and Southeast Asian division. This is all for now, and this is my entry for the Year 4 Indigo Invitational, and I'm happy with the results. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.